Hello, my name is Muhamad Faiz. I was born in Pandeglang. Now I live in Serang. My strength uh, is that make me want to the challenge, the challenge them because I have a principle that is to the learn from an experience. My weakness is that I can be disciplined in doing that things, doing, and I can deny that. I see myself in the next 5 years as having the potential in terms of working together with company. Inshallah, I will try my best with the ability I have to make together change to the company. Okay, maybe enough here from me. See you. Thank you very much.